喺人民收入不斷上升嘅時候，古董搜集球量亦會大咗。拍賣商亦隨住呢個趨向發掘新嘅市場。我哋一齊睇睇。新加坡嘅藝術品古董市場係非常蓬勃。喺過去幾年，多間畫廊曾經開幕，專係針對各搜集家。呢類畫廊展出罕有亞洲嘅古董同埋本地傑出藝術家嘅作品。此外，好似畢加索同埋窩豪呢一類國際名人作品都包括在內。創立於1744年嘅 Sotheby's 係世界首要嘅藝術品拍賣商。新加坡喺藝術品市場扮演嘅角色日漸顯著，有機會成為亞洲藝術品貿易中心。Sotheby's 亦體會到呢一點。雖然公司嘅亞洲品拍賣喺香港舉行，但佢哋有計劃再度發展新加坡市場。就算97之後影響好大，業務嘅重點可轉移新加坡。
Asia is a very important market for us worldwide in our sales in London, New York, Hong Kong and Geneva. The Japanese have been active participants for many years. Hong Kong has also been very strong market since 1973 when we started holding the auctions.
亞洲人近年間成為藝術品拍賣活動重要嘅人物。日本人通常收購最貴嘅印象派作品，台灣人就買得最多玉製嘅雕刻品。喺東南亞，中國藝術品、珠寶同埋古董手錶係公司最流行嘅拍賣品。
Since we opened in 1985, I've noticed a tremendous difference, and I can see it very clearly having been away for 2.5 years. In 1985, when we started, we had a lot of interest, many people coming by, primarily for buyers. I think our market here is mostly dealing with buyers rather than sellers, and I think one of the reasons for that is that Singapore and the region does not have a long collecting history, and therefore there are not that many collections already formed that people might want to upgrade to sell. In 85, we probably had in excess of $1 million US worth of successful bids. The difference now being that while we still range from, say, $1 million to $2 million worth of successful bids, we've had far more participation from many more people. Therefore, the number of bids placed has grown from perhaps $1 million US to more in the region of $5 million US.
主要嘅拍賣係喺倫敦、紐約、日內亞及香港舉行，但係假如你唔能夠參與，拍賣將會嚟到你身邊。喺新加坡 ，Sotheby's 係喺 Empress Place 舉行展覽。
We've also recently started bringing pieces down to Singapore for exhibition, and I think this has been a tremendous help for a lot of the collectors who don't often get a chance to actually see the works. Therefore, by bringing them here, they can look at them and then place an absentee bid afterwards. Types of things we brought down last year were modern Chinese paintings, jadeite jewelry which was being sold in New York, and Greek and Roman coins, which we brought mostly for fun because there are not that many buyers in that area.
就算買家唔在場，佢哋一樣可以投標或以電話投標參與。公司亦提供有關珍藏品諮詢服務，專協助買家認明及鑑定一件古董。
Generally, if somebody has something that they need appraised, we will ask them to send photographs of the pieces initially to our office. We run a very small operation here with only 3 people, and therefore don't have the experts in all the many departments where we have objects for sale. Through the photograph, we are able to do an initial appraisal by sending it to London or New York, where they will give an estimate of value and advise whether the piece is suitable for sale or not.
喺近年嚟，多類珍藏品曾大量出現喺整個亞洲區，反映呢一度經濟嘅繁榮。Sotheby's 抗業計劃無形中亦表示對整區繁榮有好大嘅信心。古董拍賣雖然主要係高價者得，但亦係手快有手慢冇。相信好多富有家庭因為關係足夠，好多時會喺拍賣舉行前接到消息，可以預早訂購一件十分珍貴嘅寶物。古董拍賣商亦當然一樣要以公開嘅途徑做生意。不過，假如藝術品真係價值好高嘅時候，只係關係好嘅人士會被邀請出席拍賣，以高價爭奪某件珍品啦。